Meme coins are still outrageously bullish in the crypto markets, and in the last 7 days, another PEPE themed coin known as Saudi PEPE has pumped over 700%. So this coin is going absolutely parabolic recently. We can see they've got a $10.6 million market capitalization already, and they had over $100 million of 24-hour volume. So can this coin continue to pump? Is it the end for this potential coin, which had a huge price explosion and is now consolidating? Did you get into it? What are the alternatives that you can get into? And let's look for some potential red flags if there are any. So Saudi PEPE is the Arabic version and Pepe's friend. Make Saudi coins great again. So this is him right here, just chilling right there. And so we can see this coin is about bringing you infinite wealth or something crazy like that, with a 10 billion total supply with no buying, no selling, tax. Now what's crazy, it's ownership renounced, which is really, really good. And I read somewhere that it had like an 800-year lock-in or something crazy. Says liquidity is locked forever at the same time. So this makes me very, very curious. They do have a roadmap, they do have staking opportunities, but this is not a coin that I'm looking to buy myself. I'm just reviewing it because I don't want people to be sort of FOMOing into coins that maybe look a bit overextended or lacking kind of potential, we could say. So Saudi PEPE, whatever you want to call it. We can see it's available on Uniswap and CoinTiger at the moment, and they just celebrated more than 1,000 holders. So to be fair, that's not really a lot of people when you look at the broader picture, because, you know, PEPE coin already achieved over 100,000 holders, and SafeMoon back in the day over 1 million. So we can see, just looking at some price analysis, they do have 1.22k holders. And if you go into the recent SpongeBob token that we talked about and did a 33x, well, coins like that, I mean, they just hit around 10,000 holders. So that's a barometer. So the coin still has a bit of potential, but we are seeing a lot of rejection. And there are a few key areas that we're looking at, because the coin already delivered an 1,800% increase on price from these lows right here. Going to be hard to replicate that again. And even if we do pump to the golden pocket level from this current price level, you're still just looking at a 2x. So in my opinion, the risk to reward ratio right now is not worth it for this coin, because you've already missed the major euphoric wave here, the 2,000% increase in price. You've missed it already. So the opportunity, in my opinion, potentially has gone. So if you did buy here and you're still holding right now at this potential level here, yes, you're in profits, and it's unlikely that it's going to go this low again because of the liquidity. I still think it's not really worth holding on to. Now, in my opinion, yes, we're in the support range right here, where if it comes down to 0.00077-ish, it could be a nice dollar cost average opportunity. But again, it's so risky, so risky, because if the price did then flop lower, we're looking at it coming down and breaking the support and actually, you know, continuing in the downtrend. If we do get a bullish reversal here for this coin, we'd be looking at a breakthrough, the 0.0011. It's got to remove as another zero. That's a psychological resistance barrier, and we can see already multiple touch and attempts have been made on this particular coin to break through this resistance here and here. So the chance of it coming up, get rejected here again, very likely. And overall, the objective is to get back into this red area, which is a selling zone in my opinion. So if the coin did pump 66% more and get to 0.0014, I'd be taking profits at those particular level. I think it's really hard to say what's going to happen right now, but the 10x likelihood from here is so unlikely, because you have to get a $70 million market cap. Now, you might hate me for being so pragmatic and so real. Jeez. I just don't think it's going to happen. They're trying to recycle the marketing strategy of PEPE coin, which is probably why it's not going to work. And yes, it did do really well, but it only did well for the first few days. Now you're just seeing this consolidation. So let's see what happens with this coin, man. I mean, I don't want to really give too much advice around here, and it's not financial advice, but this is it. 8,000 followers. The red flag. Let's talk about the red flag. Whilst it could just seem very trivial, not really that important. My honest opinion is that when the coin delivers such gains like it just recently has, well, we can see prior to the major pump, we're talking about like May 12, May 11. I mean, let's go back in time very quickly. Where are we? So the major pump happened obviously recently. Why can I not see the date? The major pump occurred on May 14. If we look everything before that, from May 11 to May 14, what we can see, and is very obvious, is basically that Saudi PEPE were marketing the crap out of this coin. May 11, constant tweets. May 10, constant tweets. You know, they were really pushing the project. And now the gains have already been realized. They've stopped marketing it as much, and that's a really big sentiment. And also it reveals the objective from the people behind the coin. So maybe some inside people, I don't know, allegedly have taken profits already. So yeah, that's the thing. AI Doge is the other coin we're looking at. $7.4 million market capital. Is it worth getting into? Potentially. It's in pre-sale phase. I've got a link down below for you. Do some research on this artificial intelligence meme coin token, which could effectively do some amazing stuff. So yeah, really keen to see what might happen for this one as well. Long-term roadmap, I do hold $3,000 worth. We are looking at this on a long-term basis to see if it can truly do something amazing. The last token we looked at was Tamadoge, which did a 20x, and this was a meme coin pre-sale. We've also got Love Hate Inu, which does go live very soon, by the way. Could also do great stuff. This is the third one, so fingers crossed we can see some great stuff. Altcoin season, we have very high Bitcoin dominance still, which of course isn't really great if you're looking for Bitcoin to do something fun right now, or altcoin, shall I say, because we're stuck. Altcoins have frozen. They're boring, except meme coins and shit coins. So start accumulating altcoins. Not financial advice, just a little hint there. And let's see what can happen. And if you're looking to trade coins, make sure you sign up to my Bybit link down below, where you'll be eligible to rewards. And Bybit is, in my opinion, by far the best leverage trading exchange out there. So I've got a link down below for that. Check out the AI Doge and give us some love, guys. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.